Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Mark, and this is the Smartphone Lifestyle channel. And on this channel, I make videos on how to make money online. Now, today I'm going to show you why I get paid to sleep. But before we get into that, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Click the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way to make even more money. Okay, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to show you something called Wealthbar. It's a robo advisor. If you know nothing about trading or money in general, how it works, this is for you. What you do, you take your money, you give it to them, and they play with it for you, and they make it grow. Now, I'm going to show you my own personal account. This is one of my accounts. As you can see, I started back in 2016, so almost 2017. So it's been about roughly 4 years that I've been investing with them. I started off with 13,000 something, contributed a total of $16,389.37, and I've got gains of $3,610.14 over that span of 4 years. Now, I'd say that's pretty damn good. If your money is just sitting in your bank somewhere, it's rotting away. Here it's growing exponentially. Okay, so I've had 9.38% returns on my investment. I'm doing this with Wealthbar, doing nothing. I sleep and I make money. Okay, every day I wake up. So as you can see here, it dropped off because I removed money and then I put it back in here. And what you see here is the Trump economy. It just keeps going and there's no stop in sight, guys. It's crazy. I'm loving it. Okay, so as you can see here, we got 1 month, 3 months, year to date, 1 year. So year to date, it hasn't dipped. It's pretty good. 1 year, as you can see, like I said, the Trump economy just skyrocketing. Past 3 months, yeah, same thing. So guys, that's what Wealthbar is. Put your money in there, click the link below, start an account, and watch your money grow. Okay, now what I want to talk to you about now is something else. It's called affiliate marketing. This is how I make all my money while I sleep. Okay, if you literally want to wake up to $1,000 commissions almost daily, this is what you need. Okay, if you want to travel the world, spend more time with loved ones, affiliate marketing is where it's at. Sleep, wake up, and make money. These are my personal results. As you can see here, I'm doing pretty well. So guys, with that said, click the link in my bio to start making affiliate commissions. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get started with Wealthbar as well as with an affiliate marketing business. Guys, I will see you on the next video.